distance. Say it.
She did that again. The last time.
Viva Las Vegas. Nearly 10 o'clock at night at
Ladies
home.
and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to Las Vegas. The local time here is 8 hours behind the United Kingdom. It's just coming up for 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
And it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon here.
And keeping the
Weird.
exit styles clear of any personal belongings until the aircraft reaches the terminal and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. When you do open the overhead lockers, be careful of items that could fall out and cause injury. Before you disembark the aircraft, please check your seat in the overhead lockers that you have all your personal belongings with you. If you are travelling with Virgin Holidays, a uniformed Virgin Holidays representative shall meet you once you have cleared immigration and customs, where they shall assist you with transfers to your hotel or your connected flight. Any passengers with connected flights, you must collect all your baggage, even if your baggage has been labelled to your final destination. We'll Please note that US Customs and Border Protection will not permit any passengers to use any type of mobile cell phone or photographic device until you have cleared immigration and customs.